Welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Digital Marketing 2025 edition. If you want to grow your business, brand, or personal presence online, this is the video for you. Let's dive in. Digital marketing is the art and science of promoting your brand online. Whether through search engines, social media, email, or paid ads, it's how businesses connect with their audience in the digital world. There are 5 key channels every marketer should know. SEO, search engine optimization, ranking higher on Google to attract organic traffic. PPC, pay-per-click ads, paying to appear at the top of search results or social feeds. Social media marketing, using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to engage audiences. Email marketing, one of the highest ROI strategies, perfect for building long-term relationships. Content marketing, blogs, videos, and infographics that educate and attract customers. A great strategy starts with 3 things. Define your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? Choose the right platforms. Not every business needs TikTok. Track and optimize. Use data to improve your campaigns. Even pros make mistakes. Avoid these pitfalls: ignoring SEO, not tracking performance, being on every platform instead of focusing on the right ones, selling too hard without providing value. As we enter 2025, trends are evolving fast. AI-powered marketing, voice search, and short-form video content are taking over. Stay ahead of the curve. That's your crash course on digital marketing. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like next. See you in the next video.